Hey everyone, PJ here. Cyber Monday, the day when everyone goes online hunting for deals on electronics and gadgets. But when you're shopping during a major sale event in English, suddenly you're comparing specs you don't understand, reading reviews, dealing with countdown timers and limited quantities. How do you know if a deal is actually good? What if you need to compare products? How do you talk about features and decide what's worth buying? Today you're meeting Tomas and Maya. They're friends and coworkers who decided to shop together on Cyber Monday. Tomas needs a new laptop. Maya wants wireless headphones. This is real conversation. Two people browsing websites, comparing options, trying not to get scammed by fake deals. The kind of shopping experience millions of people have every year. No technical jargon you'll forget tomorrow. Just practical English for online shopping, comparing products, and making smart buying decisions. Let's see how they talk about it.
Okay, are you ready? Sales start in 5 minutes.
I've had this tab open since midnight.
Midnight? The sale starts at 9 a.m.
I know, but I wanted to be ready. What are you looking for?
A laptop. Mine is dying.
Dying?
Really slow. Takes forever to turn on. The battery lasts like 30 minutes.
How old is it?
6 years.
That's ancient for a laptop. You definitely need a new one.
What about you?
Wireless headphones. My current ones broke last week.
Any specific brand?
Not really. Just good quality and not too expensive.
That's what Cyber Monday is for. Big discounts.
How big?
I saw some ads. Up to 50% off on electronics.
50%? That's huge.
Yeah, but you have to be careful. Some stores raise prices first, then discount them.
Really? That's sneaky.
Very sneaky. That's why I've been tracking prices for 2 weeks.
Tracking?
Watching how much things cost. I wrote down the prices before Cyber Monday.
Smart. So you know if the sale is real.
Exactly. Okay, 2 minutes.
I'm nervous. What if everything sells out?
Popular items sell fast, but there are lots of deals.
Should we have a strategy?
Strategy?
A plan. Like, you check laptop deals, I check headphone deals, then we help each other?
Good idea. Which websites are you checking?
Amazon, Best Buy, and Target.
Same, plus the manufacturer websites.
Manufacturer.
The company that makes the product, like Dell, HP, Apple.
Oh, they have sales too?
Usually, sometimes better than retail stores.
Retail stores?
Regular stores like Best Buy. They sell products from many brands.
I see. It's 9. The sale started.
Here we go. Okay, there are so many laptops on sale.
How do you choose?
First, I need to know what I need. What do you use your laptop for?
Wait, we're shopping for you first.
Yeah, then I'll help you with headphones. My cart is already open.
Cart?
The shopping cart. Online. It's where you put items before buying.
Oh, right. Okay, what do you use your laptop for?
Work mostly. Spreadsheets, emails, video calls, and some photo editing.
Photo editing needs a good processor.
Processor?
The brain of the computer. Makes it fast or slow.
How do I know which processor is good?
Look for Intel i5 or i7, or AMD Ryzen 5 or 7. Those are good for most people.
This one has an i5. It's $499, down from $799.
That's 40% off. But check the specs.
Specs?
Specifications. The details. Like RAM, storage, screen size.
It has 8 gigabytes RAM and 256 gigabytes storage.
That's a little low for photo editing. You might want 16 gigabytes RAM.
More RAM is better.
Yeah, RAM is memory. More RAM means you can run more programs at the same time without slowing down.
What about storage?
256 is okay if you use cloud storage, but 512 is better.
Cloud storage?
Saving files online instead of on your computer, like Google Drive or Dropbox.
Oh, I use that. So 256 might be enough.
Probably. Oh, look at this one.
HP with i7 processor, 16GB RAM, 512GB storage, $649.
Original price was $1,050. That's a better deal.
But it's more expensive than the first one.
True, but better specs. It'll last longer.
Last longer?
Won't become slow as quickly. You'll keep it more years.
That makes sense. But is HP a good brand?
Let me check reviews.
Reviews?
What other customers say. If they like it or have problems. 4.5 stars. Most people say it's reliable.
Reliable?
Doesn't break. Works well.
Okay, I like this one. Should I buy it now?
Add it to your cart first. We can compare a few more.
Good idea.
My turn. Help me find headphones.
What's your budget?
Budget?
How much do you want to spend?
Maybe 150 max.
Okay, filtering by price. What features do you need?
Features?
Special things, like noise canceling, long battery life, comfortable fit.
Definitely noise canceling. I use them on the subway.
Makes sense. Blocks outside noise. What about over-ear or in-ear?
What's the difference?
Over-ear covers your whole ear. In-ear goes inside your ear.
Like AirPods?
Yeah, AirPods are in-ear, but there are also over-ear ones that look like earmuffs.
I want over-ear. More comfortable for long periods.
Here's one. Sony WH something. $129. Down from $200.
Sony is good, right?
Yeah, Sony makes good headphones. Let me check the specs.
30 hours battery life. That's amazing.
Very good. You can use them for days without charging.
Does it have noise canceling?
Yes, active noise canceling.
Active?
It's the good kind. Blocks sound better than passive noise canceling.
What's passive?
Just using padding to block sound. The active uses technology to cancel it out.
Oh, I want active then.
Look at reviews. 4.6 stars. People love them.
Best headphones I've owned. Battery lasts forever. Comfortable for hours.
Sounds good. Is there anything else?
Can you compare with another brand? Just to be sure?
Smart. Here's a Bose pair. $149.
That's at the top of my budget.
But Bose is known for great sound quality.
Better than Sony?
Some people think so. It's personal preference.
Personal preference.
What you like. Some people prefer Bose sound, some prefer Sony.
How do I choose?
Look at reviews. Compare features. The Sony has longer battery. The Bose has slightly better reviews.
Only slightly?
Bose has 4.7 stars. Sony has 4.6. Very close.
So the Sony is cheaper and almost as good.
Seems like it. Plus longer battery life.
I'll take the Sony. Adding to cart.
Wait, check if there's a return policy.
Return policy?
If you don't like them, can you return them and get your money back?
Good point. Says 30-day returns.
Perfect. You can try them and return if they don't work.
Okay, adding now.
Ready to check out?
Check out?
Finish the purchase. Pay for everything.
Oh, yes. But let me look one more time. Headphones, $129.
My laptop is $649. Total is $778.
That's a lot of money.
But we're saving like $400 combined.
True. Oh, wait. What about shipping?
Shipping?
Delivery. How much does it cost to send the items?
Free shipping on orders over $50.
Great. When will they arrive?
Says 3 to 5 business days.
Business days.
Monday through Friday. Weekends don't count.
So maybe by next Friday?
Probably sooner. maybe Wednesday or Thursday.
Perfect. I need headphones for my flight next week.
Where are you going?
Visiting family in California. The headphones will be great for the plane.
Definitely. Noise canceling on planes is amazing.
Should I get insurance?
Insurance?
A website is asking if I want protection for the product.
Oh, extended warranty. Usually not worth it.
Extended warranty?
Extra coverage if something breaks. But it's expensive, and most products don't break.
So skip it?
I would. Just keep your receipt.
Why keep the receipt?
Proof of purchase. You need it for returns or warranty claims.
Warranty?
The manufacturer's guarantee. If it breaks within a year, they'll fix or replace it.
Oh, so I don't need extra insurance.
Right. The warranty is enough.
Okay, placing my order. Done.
Me too. Order placed.
That was exciting.
And stressful. I kept thinking everything would sell out.
Same. My heart was racing.
But we got good deals.
We did. Thanks for helping me.
Thanks for helping me too. I wouldn't have known about RAM and processors.
And I wouldn't have thought about reviews and return policies.
Teamwork.
Should we celebrate? Coffee?
Yes, I need coffee after that stress.
Online shopping is like a sport.
Cyber Monday Olympics.
All right, let's talk about this, Cyber Monday, one of the biggest online shopping days of the year. Key shopping terms from today. Cyber Monday, the Monday after Thanksgiving. Major online sales day for electronics and gadgets. Specs, specifications, the technical details of a product, like processor speed, RAM, storage. Cart, online shopping cart, where you put items before buying them. Processor, the brain of a computer, makes it fast or slow, also called CPU. RAM, random access memory, computer memory for running programs. More is better. Storage, space for saving files, measured in gigabytes or terabytes. Reviews, customer feedback, what other buyers think about a product. Return policy, rules about returning items if you don't want them. Warranty, manufacturer's guarantee, protection if the product breaks. Retail price, the normal price before sales or discounts. Budget, how much money you plan to spend. Checkout, complete your purchase. Pay for items in your cart. Phrases for online shopping. Is this a good deal? How much is shipping? What's the return policy? Can you compare these two? What do the reviews say? Add it to cart. I'm ready to check out. Notice how they tracked prices beforehand? Smart shopping. Some stores raise prices, then discount them. If you know the normal price, you know if the sale is real. Also notice they read reviews. Always check reviews before buying online. Look for patterns. If 10 people mention the same problem, it's probably real. The 4-star rule. Products with 4 stars or higher are usually safe bets. Below 4 stars, read the negative reviews carefully. When comparing products, make a list of what you actually need. Don't get distracted by fancy features you'll never use. Maya needed noise canceling and comfort. That's what she focused on. Your homework. Pick a product you might want to buy. Look it up on 3 different websites. Compare prices, read reviews, check specs. Practice saying, "This one has better specs. The reviews are good. What's the return policy? Is shipping free? This is within my budget." Say them out loud. Get comfortable with shopping vocabulary. Here's a useful tip. Use browser extensions like Honey or Camel. They track price history and find coupon codes automatically. Can save you serious money. Watch out for fake urgency. Only 3 left, or sale ends in 2 hours, are tactics to make you buy quickly. Good deals usually last all day on Cyber Monday. Create accounts before big sale days. Save your payment and shipping info. When sales start, you can check out fast. Popular items sell out quickly. Compare shipping times. Free shipping that takes 2 weeks might not be worth it if you need the item soon. Sometimes, faster shipping for $5 is smarter. Read the fine print on returns. Some items have restocking fees. Some can't be returned if opened. Know the rules before buying. One more thing. Set a budget before you start shopping. It's easy to overspend when everything looks like a great deal. Decide your maximum spending and stick to it. Thanks for joining me today. Subscribe if you'd like more lessons on everyday English. See you in the next episode.